What is the length-width ratio of the national flag? Answer C. 3:2. What does the white stripe of the tricolor national flag indicate? Answer C. Peace and truth. What does the green color of the national flag represent? Answer B. Growth and fertility. How many spokes are there in the tricolor wheel of the national flag? Answer C. 24. When did the Constituent Assembly of India adopt the draft of the national flag? Answer A. On 22nd July 1947. Which is the national bird of India? Answer B. Peacock. What is the national flower of India? Answer A. Lotus. Which is the national tree of India? Answer C. Banyan. What is the national anthem of India? Answer B. Jana Gana Mana. Which is the national river of India? Answer D. Ganga. The national aquatic animal of India is Answer C. Ganga dolphin. What is the national animal of India? Answer B. Tiger. What is the national song of India? Answer A. Vande Mataram. What is the national fruit of India? Answer B. Mango. What is the national game of India? Answer D. Hockey. Where in India is maximum solar energy produced? Answer A. Rajasthan. Which is the most productive state of wind energy in India? Answer B. Tamil Nadu. What percent of the total energy capacity installed in India is obtained from wind energy? Answer C. 6%. When did the development of wind energy start in India? Answer B. 1990. When was the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board established in India? Answer A. On 15th November 1983. Where is the headquarters of Atomic Energy Regulatory Board? Answer C. Mumbai. Who was the father of Indian cinema? Answer B. Dada Saheb Phalke. Is education in India a? Answer D. Fundamental rights. Who was the third president of India who died during his tenure? Answer B. Dr. Zakir Hussain. When was the national flag rule of India implemented? Answer C. 2002. Which river is called Ganga of South India? Answer C. Godavari. India's largest cattle fair is held every year. Answer D. In Sonpur. Who is called Boston of India? Answer A. Ahmedabad. On the globe, the Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states of India? Answer B. 8. In which of the following states of India the number of men is less than women? Answer C. Kerala. On which river is the highest dam in India Bhakra built? Answer B. Satluj. Where is India's first iron steel company located? Answer A. In Jamshedpur. Which state of India is called the Sugar Ball? Answer T. Uttar Pradesh. How many national highways are there in India? Answer D. 599. The only place in India where tin is found. Answer B. Chhattisgarh. That river valley which is called Roar of India. Answer B. Damodar. Which state in India is known as the food grain storehouse of India? Answer B. Punjab. Where is Silent Valley located? Answer C. In Kerala. Where is Madurai? Answer A. In Tamil Nadu. Where is the headquarters of the Botanical Survey of India located? Answer A. In Kolkata. The most important source of energy in India is. Answer B. Coal. When is National Science Day celebrated? Answer B. 28th February. What is the length of India's coastline? Answer B. 6,100 kilometers. What is the number of states having sea coast line in India? Answer C. 9. The southern tip of the Indian mainland is. Answer B. Cape Comorin. The southernmost point of India is. Answer C. Indira Point. Which line serves to determine the boundary between India and China? Answer C. McMahon Line. The line dividing India and Pakistan is called. Answer A. Radcliffe Line. With which country does India have the longest land border? Answer C. Bangladesh. By what name is the eastern sea coast of India known? Answer D. Coromandel Coast. By what name is black cotton soil known in India? Answer B. Rigar. What is the main food crop of India? Answer B. Rice. Which crop is grown in maximum acres of land in India? Answer A. Paddy. The largest peanut producing state of India is. Answer B. Gujarat. Which is the largest soybean producing state of India? Answer A. Madhya Pradesh. The largest cashew producing state of India is. Answer A. Maharashtra. Which state of India is the leading producer of pulses in India? Answer B. Rajasthan. The only state in India which produces saffron. Answer B. Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the highest producing state of silk in India? Answer C. Karnataka. What is India's position in the world in fruit production? Answer B. Second. What is India's position in the world in vegetable production? Answer B. Second. Which state of India is the major producer of jute? Answer C. West Bengal. Where is the best tea produced in India? Answer A. Assam. Which state produces maximum tea in India? Answer C. Assam. Which is the largest coffee producing state of India? Answer A. Karnataka. Which is the largest sugarcane producing state of India? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. Which state produces the most natural rubber in India? Answer B. Kerala. Which state is the largest producer of freshwater fish in India? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Which is the leading state in milk production in India? Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. When was the Operation Flood program started in India? Answer C. 1970. Which state is the largest producer of cotton in India? Answer A. Gujarat. Which is the highest wheat producing state in India? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. India has the highest share in energy production. Answer B. Thermoelectricity. India's first nuclear power generation center is. Answer C. Tarapur. Where did electricity supply first start in India? Answer B. Kolkata. What percentage of India's commercial energy is supplied by coal? Answer D. 67%. Which of the following is the main source of commercial energy in India? Answer A. Coal. Which is the largest iron producing state in India? Answer A. Odisha. Which is the largest zinc producing state of India? Answer A. Rajasthan. Which state is the largest producer of bauxite in India? Answer C. Odisha. From which of the following places in India most diamonds are extracted? Answer B. Panna. Where is gold found in India? Answer A. Kolar. Largest number of coal reserves are found in India. Answer A. Jharkhand. Mineral oil reserves in India are mainly found in which type of rocks? Answer A. Sedimentary. Where was the production of mineral oil first started in India? Answer A. In Digboi. Where is India's most important uranium mine located? Answer B. Jadugura. Which of the following states of India is ahead in the production of sulfur? Answer B. Maharashtra. What is Ankaleshwar known for in India? Answer C. Petroleum. Where is Bharat Dynamite Limited Center located? Answer A. Hyderabad. Where is the uranium mine located in India? Answer D. Singhabhum. The classified number of urban centers in India is Answer B. 6. When was the Steel Authority of India Limited established? Answer B. 1973. Which is the leading state in cement production in India? Answer C. Madhya Pradesh. Which city of India is called the capital of electronic industry? Answer A. Bangalore. Where was the first cotton cloth factory established in India? Answer C. Mumbai. India's first steel project city was established in Answer B. Jamshedpur. Indian Railways has been divided into how many zones? Answer D. 18. How many types of railway routes are there in India? Answer C. 4. What is the number of major ports in India? Answer B. 13. 40% of India's road transport is Answer B. The national highway.